Legislative Assembly from Serilingampalli constituency, Shri Gandhi Garu, Honorable Corporator of GHMC, Shri Mudiraj Garu, dear colleagues, invitees, guests, it's a matter of great honor that something which we thought of just as a vague idea about a year ago is seeing the light of the day today. Exactly a year ago, in June, on the occasion of World Environment Day, we launched a program in which all the industrial parks of the then APIIC started a 1-month campaign on taking care of the pollution they cause, ensuring that their environment are kept well maintained, taking up plantation programs. And we did it mainly for the reason that in the rural areas we realized that there is lots of hostility among the people for industrial parks, which appeared very strange because on the one hand, industries create jobs, they provide employment, they contribute to economic growth, but yet people were very opposed to industrial parks. Whenever we would try to locate some industrial park in some new area, immediately there will be some ban, some dharna, some gheraos. And then when we explored this, we learned that this is mainly because of the fear of pollution. People in the villages, in the rural areas, they were very concerned that if industries come into our neighborhood, our entire life will be spoiled. And then we realized that perhaps their perceptions are not incorrect also. The industries do cause lots of pollution. They are not concerned about it. They are not concerned about their surroundings. And so last year on the occasion of World Environment Day on June 5th, we started this program of ensuring that all the industries take care of the environment, minimize pollution, find ways of controlling pollution. When we thought about the city-based industrial parks, we realized that Cyberabad, the industrial parks which are there in Cyberabad are all IT parks or house financial offices. So here the issue of pollution, the issue of environmental management is very different. And then we thought that we should now try to emulate in Cyberabad what are some of the best environment management practices in the best cities in the world. And then we designed this 5-point program. And Industrial Infrastructure Corporation has a long-standing partnership with GIZ, the German agency which promotes multilateral bilateral cooperation between India and Germany. And we asked them to design the details of this program. We are very happy that we found implementing partners who have proven credentials in different subjects. So for example, for the green building concept, the implementation partner is CII Green Building Council. For making the buildings zero waste buildings, our implementation partner is SRACO, which has done great work in the Cherlapalli Industrial Estate in making every building a zero waste building there. Similarly, we have other implementation partners, NASCOM Foundation for making every building accessible and also safe disposal of electronic waste, and Ident City for running this cycle to work program. So I'm very grateful that these ideas are now going to see light of the day, and we hope that in the timelines that we have set, all these 5 points will receive good response from the 125 odd buildings, the 125 odd offices which are there in Cyberabad IT parks. And I am very thankful that Honorable Minister, the Minister for IT, has taken lots of interest in this subject. When I raised this proposal first to him that we may launch this program with him, he showed immediate enthusiasm, and subsequently also when I briefed him about these ideas, in fact he kind of resonated with them, and he also mentioned that if we are all endeavoring to make Cyberabad one of the best workspaces, one of the best living spaces in the country, then we must ensure that the highest or the best possible international benchmarks are followed here. So I'm very glad that Sir is here with us today. I'm also very thankful to Honorable MLA because eventually Serilingampalli constituency, which houses Cyberabad area, is a very distinctive place. And as our Chief Minister has been telling us repeatedly, unless we work in a very participatory way, unless we involve all the elected representatives, the industry leaders and the officials together, we will not be able to achieve holistic and sustainable development. I'm thankful to the support Honorable MLA Garu gives us. Also thankful to the GHMC Corporator Shri Mudiraj Garu, because there are, while while our Industrial Infrastructure Corporation maintains both these ILAs, we still have to rely on GHMC also for a number of connecting issues, some infrastructure connectivity, some other important second level of garbage disposal and so on and so forth. We look forward to GHMC support also in all our endeavors. I'm thankful to all the people who have found time to be present here today. Also extremely thankful to Mr. Shivanand Raja and his team in Tech Mahindra for making efforts to organize this function in such a befitting manner. I welcome all of you once again and look forward to a regular interaction with all of you. Thank you very much.